Are you looking for the best weed puller Amazon? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure.
Product number 1. Weed puller tool with long adjustable. Experience weed puller tool with long adjustable handle, 36 inches, plus APU pliers. Adjustable long handle design. This weed puller tool features a 3-level adjustable handle, 36 inches, 40 inches, and 45 inches, allowing you to stand while removing weeds. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip and better control, reducing hand fatigue during long weeding sessions. No more back strain or knee pain. This essential garden hand tool makes weeding easier and more comfortable. Quick-release ejector mechanism for easy cleanup. Equipped with a convenient weed ejector mechanism, this weeding tool allows you to quickly dispose of weeds pulled without touching them. Keep your hands clean while maintaining a pristine garden with this efficient weed puller tool.
Product number 2. Wallenzy Weed Puller. Experience Wallenzy Weed Puller. Stand-up weeding tool for a better gardening experience. Get rid of weeds with this long-handled lawn weeding tool. The 39-inch tall handle lets you uproot the weeds without having to bend over or go down to your knees. The foot pedal lets you put enough force on the gardening weed extractor to penetrate the ground and grab the whole weed, including the roots, so it doesn't grow back. It is good tools for your garden, backyard, front yard landscaping. Pointed 3-claw design suitable for different soil types. 3 2.75-inch steel teeth are long enough to efficiently uproot grass roots. Please keep stand up. Simply push the tines into the roots of the weeds, flower, or grass, let the tine grasp grass roots, tilt to one side, and pull out the weed and release the grass. The tool is workable for crabgrass, thistle, taproot, crabgrass, taproot, plantain, clover, burdock.
Product number 3. Bella Joy's Weed Puller. Experience Bella Joy's Weed Puller. Protects your back and knees. The 45-inch stand-up weeding tool is designed specifically to protect your back and knees. You can efficiently remove weeds in your garden without bending over or kneeling, eliminating knee pain and back strain. It's truly a convenient weeding tool for grandparents, fathers, husbands, or anyone who needs to weed with ease. Durable and sturdy. The Weed Puller tool is made of durable, high-strength stainless steel. Its robust stainless steel claws are rust-resistant, moisture-proof, and wear-resistant. This reliable gardening tool is guaranteed to last for years, meeting all your gardening needs without worrying about damage under normal use.
Product number 4. Weed Puller Tool. Experience easy weed gardening. Weed Puller Tool. Easy to use. With our Weed Puller tool, gardening becomes a joyous experience for seniors and enthusiasts alike. Featuring a 44-inch tall, comfortable stick with a real wooden bamboo handle, it offers effortless weed removal without strain. Designed with elderly comfort in mind, our tool ensures a pleasant gardening experience. Simply stand tall and let our user-friendly design do the work for you. Bending or kneeling becomes a thing of the past. Durable construction. Our 4-claw head design weed pulling tool is crafted from durable stainless, high-strength steel. This innovative tool is engineered to tackle weeds on various soil types with ease. Its robust design ensures reliable performance, making it the perfect companion for maintaining a pristine garden. Say goodbye to stubborn weeds and hello to effortless gardening.
Product number 5. 39-inch stand-up weed puller tool experience. 39-inch stand-up weed puller tool. Heavy-duty detachable 3-claw weeder with ergonomic long D handle. Tools for effortless garden weed removal. Dandelions. Optimal soil conditions. Works best in damp or recently watered soil. Avoid use in dry, compacted, or rocky ground to prevent strain on claws and ensure smooth operation. Standing use design. Enables weeding without bending or kneeling. Helps reduce back and knee strain during extended use. Ideal for users seeking comfortable garden tools for low physical impact.